Torch Beam 9005/HB3, H11/H8/H9 LED headlight bulbs. One of the standout features of these headlight bulbs is their special 6500 K cool white color temperature. This color temperature provides a bright and clear illumination, allowing for improved visibility on the road, especially during nighttime driving. The 9005/HB3 and H11/H8/H9 bulb models ensure compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, giving users greater flexibility in application. Another feature that sets these headlight bulbs apart is the high-speed cooling fan and copper tube combination. This innovative cooling system effectively dissipates heat generated during operation, ensuring a longer lifespan for the bulbs and preventing any potential damage. The 5-minute installation process further enhances user convenience, as it eliminates the need for complex wiring or modifications. The plug-and-play design of these headlight bulbs allows for easy installation without the need for extra tools or professional assistance.